Hey guys, Grey Wolf here, and today video I'm just playing GTA. Actually, I'm not supposed to make a video today, but this is a rare occasion, and yeah, I have both of the rare occasion for trains. So yeah, this is what look. One thing, I stopped the train. Another thing, there's another train coming. See? I told you. And yeah. Wait. See? I told you I make the train stop. See? It's a rare occasion. It is kind of impossible and possible in the same time, and I did it. See? It's my first time doing it, and I'm not gonna do anything. Yeah, and as you can see, my recording is a little bit sucks. Oh wait, take that back. It really sucks because I am so excited that I can't really do it properly. And yeah, this is not gonna be a long video. I'm just gonna show you that it is possible to make a train stop, and it is easier if you turn into Trevor. And if you are drunk on the train, make sure you ride it, because it's easier. And you just shoot the conductor, and for some reason my conductor is a cop. Yeah, and yeah, this is really rare occasion because many YouTubers try to explode it, but so far I only can see Venos doing it. And yeah, what? Did the blue carrot just turn into blue and not black? But yeah, it is really awesome. Let me just take this out. And yeah guys, I'm gonna end the video here, and thanks for watching, and I see you guys later. Bye.